channel. For today's video, I've decided to show you all 3 very easy recipes. Now I know I'm not doing any such of real cooking, it's just collecting stuff and reheating them, but I promise to you all it is very tasty, and during this lockdown we haven't been able to go out and we miss all that tasty food. So here's a version, a very lazy but a very delicious version. So let's get started. So I've just tied my hair, I've put a rubber band in my hair because we are in the kitchen. So for the first recipe, all we need are some Oreo biscuits. Now if you all don't have Oreo biscuits, then I think hide and seek biscuits would do. But I suggest you all to make it with Oreo biscuits because that's the best combination ever. So remove some Oreo biscuits on a piece of plate. Just place them. Then you'll need some pieces of chocolate. That could be any chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, anything that you prefer to use. I'm just going to grate the pieces of this dark chocolate on my Oreo. Yeah, I know this chocolate is really dark and it's quite bitter for me, so I'm just going to add some small chunks of this. And now, since we are done, I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds.
So I'm going to let it heat till all the chocolate melts.
I've removed the biscuits from the microwave. So now I have some whipped cream over here. All I'm going to do is plate it. And if you all have vanilla ice cream at home, then you all should use that too because that's going to be an amazing combination. So here the chocolate has melted and the biscuit is ready with whipped cream. So I'm just going to taste it. Just be sure that it's not too hot and wait until it cools down. I think Oreo would be much better. So for the second recipe, we need some nacho chips, some jalapenos and some cheese. Now if you all don't have jalapenos, you all could use capsicum or even Szechuan sauce, or you all could make a salsa sauce if you all want. So all you all need, remove some nacho chips on a plate. These are the normal salty ones. Then I'm going to place some cheese on all these pieces of nachos. So I've spread cheese on the nacho chips and I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Take a close shot now. Wait till the cheese rises, and once it rises, after about 5 seconds, remove the nacho chips. So I have taken the plate out and it's very hot. All I'm going to do is add some pieces of jalapenos on each and every chip. I like it with jalapenos. You all could use olives or even capsicum if you all don't have jalapenos at home. Ouch, it's very hot. So yeah. I'm going to wait till it cools down and then I'm going to eat it. So, in the third recipe, we are going to make like a biscuit sandwich. So, I have 3 marigold biscuits here and 3 Parle-G. I would suggest you all to make it with marigold because that tastes really good. But if you all don't have that, then you all can use Parle-G. And we need Nutella. And if you all have, you all could use vanilla or whipped cream. I have whipped cream here, so I'm going to use it for plating. All I'm going to do is take some Nutella and spread it on one side of the marigold. And and then I'm going to do the same on the other biscuit. And just fold it like a sandwich. So yeah, that's it. You all could eat it with gems, or even if you all want to use some other chocolate, dark chocolate, then you all could do that as you all like it. And I'm just going to dip it in some whipped cream. It is really good with party. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I upload a new video on every Monday, and if you all want me to make any such midnight recipes, then write it in the comment section below. I would love to do that. So thank you. Bye.